4:25, I guess.
What time is it now?
Oh, fish, fish, fish!
I'm almost in, I'm almost in.
Oh, it's big. Oh my God, it's big. It's big. It's really big. Welcome back, everyone, to the channel. It's been a hot minute since we've had a fishing video, so hopefully we can put something together here. It is finally upon us, our favorite time of the year, what this brand and what this channel started working off, and that's it's musky season. So we are out on the big old bowl, Lake St. Clair. We're fishing the Detroit River right now, and yeah, we've been out here for about 2.5 hours. So to catch you up, I just wanted to get a line in the water. I haven't fished muskie at Lake St. Clair for 2 years, so I was just too excited. But we lost one right off the hop about 10 minutes in on a Bondi Royal Orba. Then we've been trying to do a bit of jigging, but the clarity is it's a little bit too mucky, so we're a little bit more confident outwards on these contour lines where the water's a little bit cleaner. So we're hoping it's a casting session. We're gonna get big baits out there. I'll be throwing that black and orange Medusa, and yeah, let's see if we can put one in the boat here shortly. Stay tuned and enjoy. Ooh. $15. Good. I like 15. I like 21. Oh!
That was sick. That was a nice one. That was a nice one. That was a two.
What do you do there?
Nothing.
I drove him.
Blame me for that one at all.
I drove him.
It literally just leaped out. And did it just grab the front, you think? Or the back?
Went for a pull, direct weight, and reefed him as hard as I could. And then as I was pulling back,
You probably pushed him out of it.
got him. Little guy, little guy. All right, I'm gonna come around. Little peanut. Bait. Oh, you're kidding. You're kidding.
I saw that thing come out of this.
That was come right from under the boat. Woo!
Yeah, but muskie.
Let's go.
She's a fish in the boat.
We finally bagged one. To say today's been a grind would be an understatement. We've lost two. Had one way bigger than this jump off on me, but this one hit right under the boat. Hopefully I got a good shot at it with the GoPro, because that was a cool boat side hit. Just a little peanut, but hey, it's a start. Just going into the major right now. Probably a little 36 incher. We're gonna get a quick pick, get her back, and then get casting again. Thanks to Uncle Ronnie, Custom Baits. That was one of his ball liquor pattern. She's a bit shredded on the tail, but yeah, she got her done. Gonna have to get that all molded together, but what a beauty color. Get it Uncle Ronnie Custom Baits for your very own. But let's get going. Major's just about to happen, so bigger ones are gonna bite. Apparently, yeah.
4:25, I guess.
What time is it now?
Oh, fish!
I'm almost in.
Oh, it's big. Oh my God, it's big. It's really big. On the Rat Z. It's gonna come this way.
Watch, you get your line out of the way.
You're good. Bernie.
Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a good looking fish. That's a big fish.
Where is it?
He's coming up. All right.
Staying down.
Take your time with it.
Yeah.
That's a good fish. Oh, that's a big fish. He's coming in. Come on, Dad.
Get it in. There it is.
Nice. That's a good fish. That's a 45.
That's a beauty. That's bigger than 45, Chase.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's like 46, 47, I think.
There you go.
All right.
Let's go. Majors.
That move paid off. That was
Majors.
First spot where we got the first one, I think, eh?
Yeah.
Threw that out. First cast, I said, had a feeling. Rat Z. This guy hammered it, had the entire thing in his mouth. I think he's got to be about mid-40s, I think. That's a heavy fish. Wow. That's a really heavy fish.
That's a really nice fish. Hold it.
Oh yeah.
46.5.
46.5.
That's my PB.
Oh.
By about a quarter-inch.
Jeez.
You get her tail up? Yeah, there you go.
That's a nice fish.
Got her.
Good, healthy fish.
That thing is heavy. Big head on it. Want to come over this way or which way?
Yeah, let's just go back this way.
And she'll be ready to go here.
Down. Hey, let's go. That's huge. Hey, Major, let's keep it going. All right, so that grind is gonna keep going. It's so nice to pop a big one. A 46 1/4 is just a freaking stellar, great quality fish. Big, nice and healthy, good weight on her. So yeah, we're, like I said, we still have an hour in this major and it seems like we're slowly piecing it together here. I think one just actually rose over there. Yeah, we have to keep going on this one. So we're gonna put the camera down, keep the GoPros rolling, and then hopefully we can keep upgrading. Hunchback Notre Dame.
Come on.
My line's going. That's right.
Oh, top tail too.
We lost it.
It was in the net.
Nice. Alrighty. We decided to do one last pass here down the original drift and throw in the Ratzilla again. This guy came up and grabbed it. Probably right around that. He's full of pistons in here though. Right around that 37, 38 range, I would say. Yeah, probably right around that. Nice one, eh?
Beauty.
Beautiful. This bad boy back. He's not gonna take much, I can already tell you that.
You fish on the day?
Whew. Nice.
Look at that, sun setting. Bernie, can you pull off some magic or what?
I'll try.
Riders are out today.
Probably save us more than that.
Ooh, big fall, big fall, big fall, big fall, big fall, big fall, big fall.
No, she shot off.
I know that one he shot that we saw fall was about that high. That's a fish.
You're up, John. Let's go.
Here. Here. Yeah.
One take it. All right, Dad, what are you doing?
Well, I'm going to see if there's a fish.
Here,
No, I got it.
Just let it. I'm gonna try to get over top of it. Let him eat it. What?
You're going to back up or whatever?
Yeah.
Why?
Where do you want to grab the camera?
Let's go. Don't lose this one.
Where do you grab the camera? There you go.
There you go. There you go. Brittany, you want to tilt that Osmo that way? There we go. That's a big fish. That's a big fish.
Oh, yeah.
Get Zach on.
Yeah.
On the sucker.
Thank you, Manitou.
And we still got the sucker.
Still got the sucker. And it's still alive.
That's huge. First one.
So we've been working a little sucker rig out the back. And the best part about sucker rigs is you hear the tick, 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 tick as the fish gets it and takes it off, and we set it.
There you go.
Sometimes you get things like that.
That's a beauty.
Ready?
Has a big lamprey mark on its head. Yeah.
44.
44. Switch that the bottom tail, you might get a little bit more.
44 3/4.
Yeah.
That's a beauty. That's a nice fish. Get a quick pick.
Get in the sun.
You should be good to go.
She go right away.
He's ready.
That was quick. Let's go.
Take it.
Sucker rig. So that is going to wrap things up for this video. I was really hoping for a couple videos for this weekend, but things just didn't quite pan out. We still, like, in no way had a bad weekend, but we were definitely working off of a low pressure system. And the big thing to note, especially when it comes to musky fishing, is your major minors. Those are the times you gotta be paying attention, and that was a big key for this weekend, is we were really honing in on those major and minor times and really concentrating our casts and concentrating our time on those majors and minors, making sure we're doing our figure eights in those time periods, and that seemed to be when we're getting our bites. So the big thing for us in those low pressure systems is it's really just grinding, trying different speeds, tempos, trying different casting methods, your pause pull methods, your straight retrieves, your deep methods like jigging. And we were just kind of picking it apart and trying to figure things out. It ended up being that the fish were feeding more on the top in those majors and minors, and yeah, that's when we're getting our bites. So it was awesome to pick up part of 46.5, and then we got that 44 3/4 the following day on the sucker rod, which was sweet. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna be back in a couple weekends for some redemption and looking for another 50. Yeah, but if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. See you then.